today we are checking out how to change the key fob battery on a McLaren. This one happens to be a 2019 McLaren 720S. This one's relatively simple. You're just going to slide the key fob cover forward, and then you are going to see a circular portion here that's going to hide the battery. We're just going to rotate just like the arrow is indicating. Line up the triangle with the circle, and it pops right off for you. And this is going to use a CR2032 reverse operation. Triangle with the circle and twist it back so the triangles line up. That locks the key fob battery back in place, and then the cover, you slide it reverse. And that is it. So pretty easy to replace the key fob battery for the McLaren. Thanks for watching.